situation. There are thousands of people who are now stuck there in Dubai, in the UAE, unable to fly out. And in fact, this flights to 291 destinations to 110 countries have been impacted with the shutdown of the Dubai airport, one of the busiest in the world. In 2025, it recorded 95.2 million passengers passing through, and also 4.5 lakh flights moved through Dubai. The Burj Khalifa as well, the world's tallest building. There has been, visuals of drones near the building, and it's one of Dubai's showpiece, a symbol of pride. There have been these videos that show drones passing by behind the Burj Khalifa, and that, of course, did raise concerns. The Burj Al Arab Hotel, one of the oldest iconic landmarks, a 7-star hotel, there was a small fire there as well. So this is what has taken place in Dubai. This is the sail-shaped tower, a symbol of Dubai luxury, and these images that you're seeing, just unprecedented to see such images coming out of Dubai. But as many people who are living there say that the situation, while of course the visuals imply that there is some sort of crisis, things are calm. The Palm Jumeirah Island also, it's the man-made palm tree-shaped island, a symbol of luxury and tourism in Dubai. Remember those famous some of the richest people in Dubai live there as well. There has been smoke. The Jebel Ali port, the largest man-made harbor, busiest port in the Middle East, and the US Navy's largest port of call in the region, which is why it also is under target from Iran. Iran there striking out at the Gulf countries, at US assets in the Gulf countries.